Okay guys, today we will open this wireless microphone, how it look like and how it works. Okay, let's go open. So inside we get one transmitter and two microphones. So we keep aside this, and also we have this extension you can use for iPhones. Okay guys, so first of all, this is the transmitter. You have to put SC type. Okay, now it's on. You can see a small light blinking. It means it's on. Now these are microphones. There's on off button. Just hold and press. You can see it's on. Now you can use this same another one. If you are two people conversation, you can use together. Now it's on. So now it's already plugged in. No need any Bluetooth, any settings, any apps download. Just use. Now you record, open any video and start vlogging everything, and you can connect until 20 meter. It will work. Okay guys, hopefully you will enjoy this, and you can connect. Thank you very much.